Do you want to get into crypto trading but don't quite know how to? Perhaps you think it's too late to get into crypto trading. If that is you, stay tuned for this week's video, because in this week's video, I will share with you how I, a total newbie and a skeptic, earned £500 in her first week. Welcome to Simple Money Hacks, the #1 channel for managing and making money. My name is Joyce. So excited to talk to you this week about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is alternative money. The most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. In 2011, Bitcoin cost 75p to buy just one. Today, however, one Bitcoin will cost you £40,000. It has gone up so much in value, which is why I think we need to pay attention to cryptocurrency. So the point of this video is I'm hoping to accomplish two things. First, I want to encourage you. Is it time to consider cryptocurrency trading as a means of passive income? Number two, I just made some money. I would like to show you how I did it by doing a walkthrough, a step-by-step guide as to how I went from not knowing anything to making £500. The first step is to choose where you buy your cryptocurrency from. Now there are cryptocurrency supermarkets, Coinbase, Binance, and the other ones, but they all do the same thing. For this video, I'm just going to be showing you Binance. Binance has a web version and an app version. For this video, I'm just going to show you the app version. The app, of course, you can find on your phone. If you have an iPhone or Android phone, you can just download it in the App Store. Fill in your name and address as it appears on your ID. Once you're verified on Binance, you will receive an email and you are good to go. The homepage is simple and it has a built-in wallet where you can store your cryptocurrencies. You can change your currency to your home currency. The minimum spend is £15. You can pay using a card or a bank transfer. Card transactions are easier to do, but it has a fee of 1.8% per transaction. To do a bank transfer, you will need to tap in how much you want to transfer. It will only accept money from a bank account that is in your name. This is why you need to make sure when you're setting up your Binance account, the name you have on your Binance account is the same name you have on your bank account. Click to confirm. Binance will provide you the bank details, that is the sort code, account number, and a reference for your payment. Next, go to your bank account and set up the bank transfer. Enter the details provided by Binance, including the reference. Once you have made the payment to Binance, you will get a text message to confirm that your deposit has been received, and you can also see the money in your wallet. Once the money is in your account, you are now ready to buy your first crypto. You can see all the coins available on your home page. Click the coin you want to buy, or you can tap the trading button and choose the buy option. So I made money from trading in crypto as soon as I started because I was following a hot lead. One of such coins that I bought in the week was Dogecoin. My $140 investment went up to $573, an increase of 433. I also bought other coins that did very well. All in all, within that week, as I said earlier, I made over £500. I made money, but I also lost some money on some other trades I made. Only invest money that you can afford to lose. With most stocks, crypto, the idea is the value goes up and down. When it goes down, do not panic. Just hold it and wait for it to come up again. My final tip on managing risk is if you invest an amount in a currency, for instance, like I invested in Dogecoin and it makes money. What I would always do is once it makes money and it makes a lot of money, more than my original investment, I will withdraw my original investment and I add an extra 20%. This way, if I've taken my original investment and I've added 20% to it, even if that investment now goes down, I haven't lost anything because I've taken my original money, I've taken 20% extra. The reason I don't take everything out is money can go down, but it also can go up. So I don't want to lose out if in case it goes up. So in my opinion, that leaves me with a win-win situation. In the UK, only 0.02% of the adult population actually trade or own any kind of Bitcoin. In the US, it's up to 6%. The highest adopters of crypto trading, to my surprise, is Nigeria. We are up there at 32%. Jumping in now means you can get those low prices and you can invest small and you can see the value of your investments grow. Cryptocurrency is quite a big thing and I can't cover everything in this video, obviously. So I have left links in the description below if you want to know more, maybe if you're more interested in the technical aspects of cryptocurrency trading. I hope you're encouraged and I hope you will look into cryptocurrency trading. Don't forget to like the video if I've at least shared one thing, and pass it on to your friends and family that might also be interested in cryptocurrency trading. Share your thoughts below. Let me know what you think about cryptocurrency. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And that is it for today. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.